status icon, right? What would be a status icon? What would be a status icon? We don't really need a status icon. We could have a status icon. What would be a status icon? Like maybe a calendar or like an alert. Who knows, right? We're gonna come up with something here. We got a bunch here. Just gotta come up with some. What would be a status? Maybe a flag? I don't know. We'll make it same color as our thing. Let's make it stand out, you know. Can we make it stand out? Let's make it stand out. See our colors over here, right? We got secondary and we got primary. It looks like that's the secondary. So go back over here, double click in this thing, and now it should say secondary. Yeah. Okay. So that's our status, and then we're gonna give it the status. With an actual word. Right? So we can get rid of that. We're going to go to our magic text. You know what? Why we're not seeing the magic text for our thing showing up here? I'm going to tell you why. Because this text needs to be inside of the list. So now when I put it in here, you'll see I'm in the list. So I'm going to go in here. Now we got it. See, so current ticket, status, name. Okay? That gives us the status of that thing. And we'll move it over a little bit this way. I don't think the status text needs to be so thick. So let's make it smaller. Just want to see it. And we'll make the icon smaller too. Like that. Like that. Make it a group. Join all these things together. Like that. Let's run it. Look at that. So I see that it's a high priority. Is it a high priority? Well, let's look. So go in here, go into tickets, go into this ticket we just created, and what is a ticket? It's high priority, and that's why it shows up. If I go in here and I go inside here and I click on this guy and I change this to normal, or let's say even important isn't high, done, preview, you will see that it's gone because it's not important. See the little flag there? That flag, we may not need it. What I want to do instead, I see the thing that doesn't make sense here, so I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to go inside here and get to this thing, this name, and I'm going to put in front of the name status. So in case someone is having a bad day, they don't remember what it was that is there, let's just tell them what it is. Status is new. But you see why it's not lining up? Let me tell you why it's not lining up. Because let's make this centered. So go in there one more time. Let's go into here, make that centered. Roll this out a nice size. Connect it to everything else. You see how I lost that centeredness of it? I just keep telling you about groups and everything like that. Still doesn't look that good. Still doesn't look that good. Still doesn't look that good, man. What the heck? Okay, let's go all the way over. All the way over, so it's about the same on both sides. Try again. Because it feels, it's a smart thing, it's going to fill up its own space. So now we see we have a status. See, we got a status, problem I cannot get right. Solution, just think harder, dude, do that. Boom, there it is. Now what do we need? Well, in the next episode, we are going to creating the ticket ourselves. All right, here we go, with a form. See you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. We're gonna keep moving along here. I'm gonna add a new screen and save myself some time. I've already showed you guys how to do this many times before. So we're just gonna add a new screen. We want the title up there, and we're gonna say new ticket. Boom, just like that. All right, and then in here we're gonna, can you guess it? Can you guess it? Add a form, right? Here's the form. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, this is getting interesting. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be useful for you creating your own personal app. and good experience, and I will try my best to give the details so that you don't leave yourself any kind of confusion. But if you like this video and you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, suggest, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.